Question 6 of this exercise has two parts in it. The first part says from the sum of 3x minus y plus 11 and minus y minus 11 subtract 3x minus y minus 11. So sum means add. So basically we are going to add these two and whatever we'll get we have to subtract this. So let's start with A part. The expressions are 3x minus y plus 11 and we are adding minus y minus 11 to it. Now the like terms are the terms with y and the constant terms. So it will become 3x and minus y will become minus 2y and plus 11 and minus 11 will become 0. So we will get 3x minus 2y after adding these two expressions. Now from this expression which we have got 3x minus 2y, we have to subtract 3x minus y minus 11. So when we remove the bracket, the sign will change. It will become 3x minus 2y minus 3x plus y and plus 11. So plus 3x and minus 3x will be 0 and minus 2y and plus y will give us minus y and plus 1. So this is what we will get when we will add and subtract these terms. Now B part of question 6 says from the sum of 4x plus 3 and 5 minus 4x plus 2x square subtract the sum of 3x square minus 5x and minus x square plus 2x plus 5. So basically we will have to add these two expressions and we will have to add these two expressions as well, and whatever we will get we have to subtract them. So let's write the expression. So it will become 4 plus 3x plus 5 minus 4x plus 2x square, and from this we will have to subtract the sum of these two expressions, that is 3x square minus 5x, and we have to add these ones as well, minus x square plus 2x plus 5. Now we will add the like term, so it will become 2x square and minus 4x plus 3x will give us minus x and 4 plus 5 will give us 9, and these will become 3x square and minus x square will give us 2x square, minus 5x and plus 2x will give us minus 3x and plus 5. Now when we will remove the bracket, so it will become 2x square minus x plus 9 minus 2x square plus 3x minus 5. 2x square and minus 2x square is basically 0, and minus x and plus 3x is basically 2x, and plus 9 and minus 5 is plus 4.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.